taking a posture that you can hold for a longer time, then with your sense of sight, with that vision, think of a good place, like Yosemite I was saying earlier, some beautiful place. Don't disturb that. Keep engaging with that sensation. So emotionally you like that sensation. That liking translates into a very easy breath. And that breath touches the sensation in the heart. I would call that pratyahara, with the sense of sight. Soft eyes, soft ears, soft tongue. Very receptive with the sense of eyes. Whether with your closed eyes or open eyes. See that looking takes place. You are not doing looking.